Hey guys, so this is going to be my first video on earning. So as you can see, I have downloaded a lot of application that could possibly lead to earning, but I'm gonna give a detailed evaluation on that later. So first one is BMate. So I have been doing BMate for more than a year now, and I have earned 300 maximum. I just withdrawed it, so I don't have any money right now, but there is my withdraw history. 50 50 50 50 50. So in total I have earned 300 rupees from here, and this used to be different, but now due to the lockdown you don't get much money as you used to. So also there is another part where you can exchange things for gift. Like when you post a video, you get 6 padders which can be used to buy items like this phone, items like Samsung, this watch. I want this watch, but there is a very high competition on who gets it. Nobody buys this because nobody actually has that much money to spend on the phone. And these are the few gifts. This also changes, and some people win body wash, but I don't know how they win this. So I don't have. Oh, I have this Alibaba shopping code for some reason. I don't know why. So before it used to be like this: when you check in you get 5, when you do a task you get 3. Tasks were very simple, you have to like a video, you have to share a video, comment a video, something like that.
एक बंद दुकान की शटर पे लिखा था कि ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करें। मैंने जैसे ही उस नंबर पे कॉल करा तो उनने बोला कि शटर ऊंची करके अंदर आ जाओ। कब सुधरे? एक बंद दुकान की शटर पे लिखा था कि ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर।
So what used to happen is that when you like this video you get a free coin which can be sent to people. So these are the gifts that could be sent, but now you can't get these coins for free. They used to give 3 coins per day, which is very good. And now due to corona they think that they are saying that they are losing a lot of money. So also you get coins when you follow a person, and also when you comment something. And this guy earned 98 rupees from just this. People gave gifts, there must be more gifts over here. I don't know where they are, but there must be gifts, these gifts actually make them rich. As you can see, when you go into the account, you'll find that this guy has 17,000 fans who have gave them gift. Okay, my net is kind of bad. Wow, this guy gave so much. Oh, as you can see, this is Bharti, and as you know, everybody knows her. She has given her so much money that now he is a celebrity now. Wow, this is cool. So this is so Bharti is now the brand ambassador of BMAT, which is cool. And I also upload videos here. I just uploaded my song for some reason and nobody watched it, and another song and nobody still watched it. This is from TikTok, maybe that's why. I don't know. I have lots of videos. These were the events, play the game event, so I was doing that. And these are just some tasks that I did. Anyway, I have 85 fans who have given me gifts. I used to exchange gifts with this guy. He gave me 98 and I gave him back 98. As you can see, this is my brother's account. I used to give him the coin and I have given him 170 till now. And I have, every time I got, I gave someone. He gave me 10, I gave him 10 back. Over here 10, just like that. But the people didn't comply with that. Anyway, So this is BMate, and this is how you earn. This is simple as that, and this is actually real. As you can see, this works. So I hope you liked it. And though, but the thing is that when you transfer the money, it can take a while, it can take like 2 to 3 days for the money to transfer to your Paytm account. And from Paytm account you can transfer it to your bank, but of course you can transfer it to bank directly from here. It's up to you. And also, these are the B coins that you used to get for free. You used to get B coins for free, but now you don't get it for free anymore. As you can see, when you like a video, you get a free coin. You can send it to someone. Also, you used to get coins for following people, like, follow, comment. But is that it? But as I want to say that BMate actually works, though it is not getting much popular nowadays because of the corona issue, but this actually works. So I hope you like this video, and thank you.